Okay, so here we are going to talk about another data type which is known as the array. So array falls under the categorization, in data types it falls under the category of object. So now what exactly is an array? So let me first of all, it is an object. It can store many data and many types of data. So in JavaScript, if you write something like this, let lists equals, sorry, not let, it's let lists equivalent to 20, 30 again, and suppose my name, it gives us an error. Okay, yeah, so it clearly gives us an error. And now if the IntelliSense is already saying that, yeah, variable declaration expected. So now if you run this and check out, okay, sorry, I am making the same typo over and over again, lists. So now if you write node script.js, yeah, that is a syntax error. So this is not possible. Now instead what we can do is take everything in an array. So first of all, what we will do is write, now I know in many tutorials you might have seen things a bit differently, but I wouldn't explain it in this way, so that when I explain in this tutorial in that way, you will be much more clear. So let lists equals to new array, and now if we just console log lists, and also if you want the data type of lists, let's see what it gives us. Node script.js, yeah, so here it gives us an array, and as we know, array is an object. So now if you want to have some values, let us comment this out, and now let us write lists. So the counting in everything, as I said, JavaScript, all the things, the index always starts from 0. So here also the index is started from 0. Okay, equals to 5. Then lists 1 equals to 6. Okay, and suppose lists 2 equals to my name. And now if you write list 3, suppose lists 3 equivalent to like true. So if we now print out the array, if you now print out our lists now, so we will see a sequence. These things 5, 6, Tanzim, true, all of these things are printed inside an array, okay, in a sequential order, that is starting from 5, 6, Tanzim and true. So here we have number, we have string, we have boolean. And now let us see, and if we now type node script.js, yeah, we see 5, 6, Tanzim, true. These 4 things are stored inside a variable. Now this is good, this is not bad, and now you already have an idea about different indexes. Okay, so if you want to print only this, you can do something like this. Sorry, yeah, you need to put an array here and write the position of the index you want to print. So node script.js, yeah, so now it has printed me 5, and if you do 1, it will print 6. So you can try this. this is a good way, and I hope now your understanding is much more clear. Okay, but let us do the modern way, or now the way everyone does, and most likely you'd be doing in most of the times. Let lists equals to 5 6 array, true. Okay, so now from here, if you do the same thing, if you bring in these two things, I'm not writing it again. If you console log the lists, and if you console log the type of lists, so node script.js, yeah, you see you get all of these things in an array, and this is the type of lists. So now suppose if you want to have access of any specific position, you can do something like this: console log lists, suppose 3, so it will give me Tanzim. And now if I run node script.js, yeah, so node script. Now we see, okay, sorry, it gives us true. It's 0 1 2 3. For printing my name, it would be the second position of the index. Lists 2. And now if you console log or write node script.js, yeah, so this is very much it. In this video I have discussed what exactly is an array. Array, under the categorization of data types, it's an object in JavaScript. You can store many things, many variables, and many type of variables like string, integer, number. And here we saw, and the counting of array, the index of array starts from 0, like the index of string also starts from 0. And to find a specific position, we need to write the name of the array and have an array symbol, and inside it we need to write the name, the position of the index we want to print. So that is very much it. And so this is just an introduction to array. I hope in the next lecture we'll talk about some array functions, so that you can be more clear about array and different functions, the built-in functions of array provided by JavaScript. So that is very much it.